What's up, everyone? I'm in the carport. If you have been around the channel for a little while, you've probably seen my other video of the carport where I parked the Camaro, and it's really not in the best shape. This floor has been messed with. I've actually straightened all these out because they were just scattered everywhere, and I made it look halfway decent, but I've just added more and more stuff. Like the lawnmower I put in here just so it don't get wet. This washing machine I put in here so it don't get wet. And it just really hasn't been in here before, but I don't have really I really don't have anywhere else to stick it. Besides outside where it's going to see the sun and a lot of rain. In here, you only see it if the rain's blowing in the back. Still got this wall that I need to finish. So what I'm going to do today, bless you. So what I'm going to do today, for a little bit anyways, these people just had that little garage added on, and they had a bunch of dirt right there where you see where the dirt is at and there's no grass. Well, somebody moved the dirt to my yard. I don't know why, but this is what causes problems with people. They just do stupid shit and don't consider others, I guess. Retarded, but whatever. So I've been wanting to ask him if I could use some of this dirt to try to level out the floor in the carport. Just haven't really seen them, but now the dirt's moved onto my property, so guess what? I'm gonna use all of it that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and level it out, so that way, one, it's level, and when I'm parked the Camaro on here, the tires don't get all deformed and stuff like that, because there's some pretty big gaps, height differences in there. I don't know if you can tell from the GoPro or not. So I'm gonna put some dirt in there, level it out a little better, and then that way if I put shell or rock or something down, I'll have to put less, because one, I'll fill in all these holes, and two, I'll get it pretty even. Right now I would need a lot just to get it somewhat even. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna get done today, but today's a busy day, so we're gonna see how much I can do. I got a lot of stuff going on, and I'm still trying to do another video of the truck putting a tailgate assist on, so we'll see. That one was a little heavy. My thigh's burning a little bit. Alright, as you see, I probably got about 8, 9 partial garbage can full of dirt. I was only doing partials because, I mean, if you really fill up that whole garbage can full of dirt, that thing's gonna weigh a couple 100 pounds. I mean, still, I'm sure some of these were weighing probably 75, 80 pounds. So doing that 8, 9 times on my day off, nonetheless. But now I'm gonna smooth it out and just see how it looks after that, see how much more dirt I'm gonna need. Shouldn't need too much more, besides maybe when I go to fill in the cracks, the holes inside these blocks. Alright, I just smoothed out them couple loads of dirt that I brought over. That's pretty well covered right there. Of course, I need a little bit more on the edges, but I got it in pretty well. Gonna need some more dirt though. Well, it's coming along. I'm gonna take a break for now. Gotta go to the birthday party. But here you go, as you can see, it's looking a lot better. It's not 100% even yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It's a lot better. Not all those divots and ruts and everything. It'll help the tires too, because the tires sit funky on them sometimes, depending upon how the car's parked in here. And that's not good, especially if you let it sit for a couple days or a week. What's up, everyone? Here's a little update. Been putting down some more sand after I got home from the birthday party. It's looking pretty good. I still got some more I'm gonna put like over here and stuff. I got some of this nicer sand like right here I just poured. It's not so chunky and rocky like the rest of this, which I don't really care, but this I got from the front yard from where the kids play, so I'm going to do a top layer of that because that looks better. But it's getting there. It's pretty smooth. Even, I should say, not smooth, but even. I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out once I get enough sand on it that I think. But hey, it works. Can't argue with that. I don't know if I'm going to come out here tonight and do any more, or if I'm going to just wait till after work tomorrow. I got another video that I've been working on with the truck. I don't know when I'm going to finish up that one. Hopefully soon. If so, then I'll probably post that one before this one. We'll see. I don't know. Try to get as much done on the weekends when I'm off. What's up, everyone? Just got off work. Out here, just threw a little bit more dirt on the ground. Just try to even it up a little better. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that trash can. And I put some bricks in it. And as you can see behind it, where I already dragged it once, I'm going to drag the whole entire floor. Just to try to smooth it out a little bit, see how it is. Alright, I just drug it all to the trash can. You can see this low spot right here for sure. Other than that though, it looks pretty good. I'll eventually put in some dirt along the edge right here, possibly, right before I go get the rock or shell or whatever I use. And then I'll probably move all that. Just try to even that up better back there. Alright, well there you have it. That's the little update for the carport, where I park the Camaro usually. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Till next time. Peace. Got the Camaro sitting in there. Not bad. I could have moved it back a little farther, but I like to be able to walk around, so this way now I can walk around the car completely. And the tires ain't sitting half on the block, half off a block, getting all deformed and whatnot. Next for this would be the back wall and some rock or shell.